So I've never done any review of any product on Amazon, but I have to say how really disappointed I am about this product. First of all, the keyboard came in this box. It just looks extremely cheap and flimsy. I think it didn't even come in a box, in a bag or something. These are the instructions. So it just came like that. I say this is pretty cheap for a $150 keyboard. Second point, keyboard's not backlit, so for that price you would expect some light at least, so you can work at night. It doesn't come with the stand and the wristpad you're supposed to that Amazon shows you, that is showing the Amazon post. So that's a big bummer. You have to buy separately for $50. Look how cheap this looks. They just give you a piece of plastic, totally made in China. So there's not much attention to detail here. So you're supposed to just hold like this. So anyways, I decided to give it a try and bought the wristpads and the stands. Pay $50 for this. First of all, the box came broken and the product inside came used. Second, this also looks extremely cheap. This is just a very cheap plastic, very cheap type of plastic. Look at this, doesn't provide any support. You just press a little bit and you hit the bottom. Compared to this is a 3M wrist pad for the mouse, but this, you can see actually the quality. This supports your wrist pretty well. This is from 3M, $9. All this thing is $50, but look at this, really flimsy and cheap. And don't get me started in how to install this in the actual keyboard. It's a nightmare. The instructions are not clear. Seems like it doesn't fit. So you're supposed to install this somehow in the bottom of this. Instructions are not very clear. Seems like it doesn't fit. There's so this is the left side. So you try to put it on the left side. There's nothing clicks. You expect that something would click there and it would be fixed, but no. You just put it there and you have to touch it with this thing right here. And this is gonna end up, just dancing, if I should say that. So I'm very, very disappointed about this product. And this is definitely a return.